All right, so guys, this is number 10 out of 10.2. And the question says the data below shows the number of car thefts in a city for a period of 20 days. Completes part A and B below. So the student has already done part A, so they've already drawn the stem and leaf plot, correct? Okay, so now it says what percent of the 20 days had more than 65 cars stolen? Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to ask ourselves, what's the total number of car thefts? Okay, so if I want to find the total number of car thefts, I am going to count how many numbers do I have here. So look, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, right? Because there's a total of 20 days. Okay, now the second part is asking me how many of those days had more than 65 cars stolen. So I'm going to look here at the 60s. I'm going to start counting the numbers more than 65. So look, there's a 68 and 69. That means that there's 1, 2 of them. There's 70, 74, and 76. That means there's 5 of them. There's 2 77s. That's 7. And there's an 83, so that's 8. So I have a total of 8 numbers out of 20. And we can divide them both by 4. Which is going to give me, what, 2 over 5? Oh, it's asking me for a percent. Okay, so it's asking me for a percent, guys. What I'm going to do, I can either take the 8 over 20 or the 2 over 5. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to change those fractions to decimals. So let me grab my calculator here. Let me clear it out. We said 8 divided by 20 is 2/5, right? There it is as a fraction. We want to convert it to a decimal. So when I'm going to go to math, I'm going to hit the little decimal button. It's going to give me 0.4, okay? So I come here and I say, well, this is the same thing as 0.4, and to change it to a percent, I can multiply it by 100, or simply move my decimal point 2 spaces to the right, and that would give me 40%, okay? That doesn't look like a 40, so let's clear that up, make it better. There we go, 40%, okay? So right here, I would just type in the number 40.